I know that's right. That's on Periana, that's on period. So, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So yesterday I got 2 packages from ZARA. I've been waiting for these packages for 3-4 weeks. No, 2 weeks and a few days. So this got to me yesterday while I was at work. 2 packages from ZARA. So these 2 items I've been meaning to get myself for the longest time, and I am grateful and proud that I was able to do this for myself. I remember in December, like, I was talking about these 2 items that I really wanted to buy from ZARA, and yeah, I finally got both of them at the same time, and I couldn't be more happier. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So I already opened this small one, and yeah, I already opened this small one. As you can see, it's not in here. It is dun 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 dun. Let me try and move away from the camera. Yes, this is Red Temptation by ZARA. Yeah, so this is the Red Temptation perfume by ZARA. It comes in 80 ml, and yeah, it comes in this cute white and gold packaging, and this is how it looks. Okay, I'm gonna insert a picture or a mini video of how it looks on the side, because I can't really show you guys how it looks, but it is crystal clear. The bottle is clear, and it has Red Temptation by ZARA in gold, and then the cap is also gold, and it has this white detailing, which you probably won't be able to see, and then it also has this gold detailing on top of the bottle. So I would like to say the reason why I opened this immediately when it came, I wanted to test it out before I give you guys a review. So I sprayed this in the morning while I was going to work, and to tell you that by the end of the day I could still smell this perfume on my body. So I could say that it really lasts the entire day. Yeah, it really lasts the entire day, so that's a plus, and it really smells like really good. Yeah, so yeah, that is Red Temptation by ZARA in 80 ml. So on to the second item. I've always wanted this. So I haven't opened this package yet, but obviously I bought the items myself, so I already know what it is. Let me try and use my phone. Okay, let me try and unbox this. I want to do an unboxing for Instagram. I'm that girl. It looks so pretty in person. Ah, love, love, love. So it comes with multiple straps, right? Multiple shoulder straps. I'm so sorry about the noise, guys. Someone is playing music in the background. Yes. For a casual look, I would rock this bag with this belt and then wear it crisscross. And then for a more girly look, I would wear it with this belt and over the shoulder or crisscross. So it still has those things. It also has those gold details on this thing. So this is how the inside looks. So yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, so this is the mini city bag. I think this one comes after the knotted one. Yeah, I think so. I think this one comes after the knotted one. And when I first fell in love with the ZARA mini city bag was with the one with the knots. I fell in love with that bag, but then when I saw this one which comes with multiple straps, I was like, I have to get this one. So I think back in December I wanted to get the bag, but I couldn't find it anywhere. It was always sold out. So I went to the website again, and then I saw that this bag was available, and also the perfume was also available. I had to buy both, and these gave me a reason to spend on myself. So for my birthday, okay guys, so this is, oh flip, my room is a mess. So I want to show you how it is packaged. So okay, open this thing. Okay, this is it. And that's on period. That's on period. So pretty. so I really spoiled myself for my birthday. Yeah, so my birthday gave me a reason to spoil myself with these two, and yeah, I'm really in love with this ring. So my camera is starting to heat up. I think that's it for this video. I'm not sure if this is gonna be like in a vlog or this is gonna be like a separate video on its own, but if this is gonna be a separate video on its own, I want to say thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Please do share the video as well. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye guys.